It's the second day. It's now 9 a.m. and we're going to leave the hotel and check out. So I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. Today I'm wearing this brown tank top from Shein and this Hollister jean mini skirt, and of course my taupe Birkenstock. And yeah, it's very simple and I'm really excited for today because we also have a tour planned and booked. So I'll see you guys there.
Someday I will be the one for you, and you will be the one for me too. Someday I will be the one for you, and you will be the one for me too. Yes, it's true. I love the things you do for me, the way you smile and laugh at me, it's true. Yes, I do. I love the way you think and talk, I love the way you move and walk, I do. I know it's early, but I mean every word I say. I stay with you through night and day, it's true. You know I'll be...
So we are in the car and we just stopped at a train station to buy some water. He still has some tasks to do, so that's why we stopped a little bit. So the plan for today is to go to Loulé, which is the town which we are staying at, so where we have our hotel for 5 nights. So we're just going to walk around Loulé and eat lunch there probably, and then go to the hotel and check in because we can only check in at 4 p.m. and once we check in we're going to go out directly because we booked a boat tour at 5 p.m. So I'm really excited about this tour. The tour is at Faro, which is another city a bit more south than where we're staying at. I really wanted to visit the old town as well, so we'll see if we have time for that today, and if not then we'll do that another day. Also, I just tried liquid eyeliner for the very first time of my life. I've always bought like the felt tips ones, but for some reason they always dry out like after 1 or 2 use. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, I don't really know. So I just got a liquid eyeliner to try it out. And so far I really like it. Anyway, back on the road. I'll check in with you when we get there.
Say I stay with you through night and day, it's true. You know I'll be there for you. And if you let me, I'll love you till the end of time.
It is now 12 o'clock and we just stopped at a gas station to get some gas, obviously. And we're still 40 minutes away from the destination, so I guess I'll just see you guys there.
1, 2, 3.
So we just arrived in Loulé and it's 1 p.m. We're just gonna pay for the parking and probably just walk around. I really like the vibe up here. It's like a mix of Spain, obviously, because it's like so close to Spain, and maybe Morocco a little bit. The buildings are very small and cute, and yeah, it's very hot right now. And yeah, we'll see what Loulé has, and hopefully we still have time to walk around.
Couldn't imagine the sadness it happens when you're flying.
And if you ask me if I ever cry, only when I look into your eyes. Remember what it felt like when you left me. Everything around me felt so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cry, only when I look into your eyes.
We just arrived at the hotel. It's 3:10 right now. We came here in hope that we could check in earlier, and we did. As you can see, there's the room right here. I'm gonna do a little room tour. The place is amazing. Like, we arrived there and the owner gave us a little tour of the place, and my boyfriend loved it so much that we decided to ask to stay 2 extra nights already. So I'm quickly gonna show you the room, and I'll show you outside as well, which is honestly amazing. So we have the entrance. There's another room right here, and this is where you come from. And then right away we have our bed. It's a double bed with 2 little nightstands, which I really like. The aesthetic is really cute. It's blue wall and everything. And then on this side by the entrance door we have a closet. They also provided some towels here for the pool, which is nice, so that we don't mix the beach towels and the pool towel. And they also provide a safe and an iron. And then we have a little desk area here with a chair and a TV. We also have the AC, and then over here we have a full-length mirror, which is really nice for the outfits. And lastly we have the bathroom, which is with a bathtub and obviously the sink, a big mirror, and the toilet. And we also have a bidet, which I don't personally use, but I guess it's nice to have. And they also provide some soap. And right in front of our room, like where we get into our room, there's a little balcony that has a big table with chairs, so you can sit there, do some work or eat breakfast, etc. And you also have some long chairs so that you can tan. We also have a huge pool that is heated, so it's really hot right now, so we don't really need it to be heated, but at night I guess if you want to have a swim you can as well. They can close it as well, which is nice. We also have a jacuzzi that is accessible at any time, as well as the pool. We also have a big gym available. And we also have a sauna. And then we also have a common area, which we have a baby foot and a pool table, as well as some hammock. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, it's really nice. And yeah, I'm really excited to stay here. I think we're going to stay like for 1 hour or so, and then we will head to Faro for the boat tour, which I'm also really excited about. So we are back in the car. As you can see, I didn't really have the time to swim in the swimming pool, so now it's 4:10 p.m. and we're heading to the boat tour since we booked it for 5 p.m. It's a boat tour to visit the natural park of Ria Formosa, I think that's how it's called. And you have quite a lot of tours available for that kind of visit. Yeah, just so that you have an idea, we paid 32 euros for 3 hours. So we're gonna stop at a few islands.
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. If I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. Maybe I'll just cry a little less. The tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we rewind? 'Cause my mind's on other things, but I'm not sure you'd find them interesting. Maybe I should practice how I feel instead of trying to reinvent the wheel.
So we just stopped at the Desert Beach, I think it is, and there's nothing here. And we're staying there for 1 hour, so we're gonna see what to do.
Sorry if this all feels like a game. Maybe
The beach is really pretty and it's very blue. So now we're just walking. They said that this natural park, they cultivate some oysters, so we're gonna see if we can find a place to try some, because I love oysters. I have a little bit of asthma.
the wind. But will I sink as soon as I jump in? For sure my feet will touch the ground, but I can't swim. And I'm not sure it matters in the end. I know that I should practice what I preach. But telling you the truth is hard for me.
I just finished eating the oysters and I pay in total 14 euros and 80 cents for 5 oysters and 1 iced tea. Yeah, it was really delicious. I love oysters, but now my throat is a little bit itchy, which happens sometimes when I eat oysters, but that's fine. And now we're going back to the boat because we have to meet them there to go, I think, to another island. I'm not really sure. So we are now in Farol Island, which means a lighthouse in Portuguese, and we're staying here for 1 hour as well. The houses are like very white.
Baby, we've got time to face our fears, make our dreams come true. We both know what we want, what we've got to do. I don't know where the road will go, but baby, we can find out. If you trust me, you will know. It'll all unfold. I don't know where the road will go, but baby, we can find it. We can find that pot of gold. Find that pot of gold. Gold. Find that pot of gold. People talk, oh people talk. They don't like what we have got, oh baby, you and me, but we don't care.
It's already 8 p.m. We have the sunset right now and it's really beautiful. We have our boat here and the sunset.
I don't know where the road will go, baby, we can
And the
find
lighthouse.
it. If you trust me, you will know. It'll all unfold. I don't know where the road will go, baby, we can find it. We can find that pot of gold. We can find that pot of gold. Find that pot of gold. When it it's good, but when it's bad, you take it out on me. You take it out on me. But I'll stand by you, baby. When your head is not a mess, you'll see. I hope that you will see. I don't know where the road will.
We just finished with the tour and honestly it was really nice. And also I got my little button up because I like to be warm, but it's not even that cold. So yeah, it's really nice to walk around at night. So we just walked around a little bit around Faro and found this restaurant where we can eat unlimited fish. So we're just gonna try that and it's only for 12 euros. Just arrived at the hotel and it's like midnight and now we're going to go in the pool. So I just showered and now we're ready to go to sleep. I'm whispering because there's like no noise and I feel like I'm making so much noise when I talk normally, so yeah, I'm gonna leave the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I'm really looking forward to the following week. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!